floating to the sky. The summer was alive, going to the end of time. I can see the daylight. Eyes were perfect. Is it really the end? Just so like a stranger, so far away from me. You said you're running for me, but I managed from our story. Baby, don't be sorry for me, 'cause it's just a perfect story. You said you're running for me, but I managed from our story. Baby, don't be sorry for me, 'cause it's just a perfect story. Just perfect story.
Hello world and welcome to one more video of Pandubbi Wala Peer Travels. So here we are today. We've landed into the beautiful Singapore and here is our wonderful family sitting with us. Apurva, who's come all the way from Canada, and yes, and that's Aparna, and here is the big man driving, Vivek. So we are here in Singapore taking a 13-hour break today, and we are en route to Melbourne in Australia. We catch a flight later tonight. It's been a wonderful day that we have spent with Alka, Vivek and Apurva is still trying to get over her jet lag, and you know how terrible it can be if you are here from a 30-hour flight. So here we are, and say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Ciao. That's great. So we will show you whatever we see in Singapore. So stay with us.
Behind the wheel.
Yeah, and the guy behind the wheel, though he's missed a couple of roads, but he's got experienced in using the Google Maps. So Delhi के अंदर क्या होता है कि when you see the Google Maps, so you know when that cut is coming where you have to take, so the voice becomes louder. Take left, take left, take left now. So you don't miss it. But here in Singapore, the voice is quite patient. It's not speaking, so you can't hear the Google Maps speaking as of now. But yes, a beautiful city, Singapore, that it is famous for.
Weather today.
Wonderful weather, not humid at all. And we had a wonderful lunch on the 57th floor, overlooking the bay, the sea, seeing Malaysia, seeing Indonesia on the other side. The visibility was very, very clear. So stay with us, and we will show you something more.
आपके चैनल का क्या नाम है?
हाँ हमारा सब्सक्रिप्शन है हमारा
Pandubbi wala because Samarina.
हाँ,
पंडुब्बी वाला पीर जो है वो एक्चुअली इट इज पंडुब्बी वाला पियर. तो अब वो सब लोग उसको पीर बोलते हैं, लेकिन वो पियर है,
पीर बाबा।
क्योंकि मैं पीर बाबा तो नहीं बन सकता हूँ, लेकिन यस मैं सबका दोस्त तो बन सकता हूँ ना, तो पियर, इट इज पियर. बट दैट इज अ मैजिक कि हाउ ह्यूमैनिटी रिलेट्स, यू नो, फ्रॉम अ पियर इट बिकम्स अ पीर, and then they feel कि peer cannot do anything wrong, and generally the peer doesn't do anything wrong, you know. So here is marvelous Singapore and its clean traffic. So we are making an approach towards where Vivek and Alka stay. तो आपको सिंगापुर के बारे में सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या लगती है अलका? Cleanliness. So that
Public
is
transport. This is our
public transport, cleanliness.
This is our MRT station from where we get the
this
train.
is the station. So
Wow, this is wonderful.
सो ये जो स्टेशन है MRT स्टेशन, वो बिल्कुल बिल्डिंग के करीब है. सो विवेक भाई साहब जो हैं वो सवेरे निकलते हैं और वॉक करते हुए स्टेशन के अंदर से अपनी मेट्रो पकड़ के
हाँ, MRT.
या MRT देते हुए वो अपने काम की तरफ, जहाँ जो कि यहाँ से करीब 15 मिनट की दूरी पर है. क्वाइट प्लेस, क्वाइट सिटी. No litter, no political posters.
Yeah, you
Very
can
good.
get fined $10,000 if you litter.
Yeah, so $10,000 is the fine अगर आप लिटर करते हैं. और कैमरा सिस्टम्स इतने अच्छे हैं कि आप चाह के भी बच नहीं सकते, बिकॉज उसके अंदर फेस आइडेंटिटी है. तो गूगल ने बोल दिया वेलकम होम. सो हियर इज द बिल्डिंग. We are entering it now. And the best part again is कि since it is a hired car, they requested that can you park it in the guest parking. Though the resident has a covered parking, but still he is not breaking the rule and he's parking the car in the guest parking, which is reserved only for guests. Now आप उसका implication देखिए, security के लिए कितना implication है. अगर वो गाड़ी जाके नॉर्मल रेजिडेंट पार्किंग में पार्क हो जाएगी तो वो किस तरीके से ट्रैक होगी, और गेस्ट पार्किंग में होगी तो किस तरीके से ट्रैक होगी. एंड उसके ऊपर जो अच्छी बात है, चलो गार्ड ने तो जो बताया वो बताया, बट रेजिडेंट ने उसको क्वाइटली फॉलो भी किया. आई थिंक अ ग्रेट लर्निंग हियर, राइट. अगर फॉलो ना करो तो फाइन लगता है. तो ये अलका मैडम ने अभी भी बताया. तो जो फाइन है वो बड़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. तो वो सिटी को कह रही है फाइन सिटी. तो फाइन मतलब
It's a
अच्छा,
double meaning.
और फाइन मतलब प्रॉब्लम. तो गुड. तो इसीलिए जब टीचर स्कूल के अंदर वो पिताजी फुट्टा मारते थे हाथ पे, उसका एक मीनिंग होता था.
चलो,
तो इसीलिए
आपको
स्टूडेंट अच्छे हो
यहाँ
गए.
पे.
ऑलराइट, सो हियर वी आर. Towards the entrance inside the building. Face identity, and you are allowed in. Ah, that's the view from the other side. There's a nice breeze today, not very humid, so we can't feel any humidity. An old condominium but very well maintained, and there's a wonderful swimming pool, and there's a gym also.
There's a gym on the right.
The gym on the right. There's a squash court inside the condominium,
And the tennis courts.
and tennis courts also. So everything within the condo, and
And then we have few shops in
Yeah.
the condo.
few shops in the condo also.
Grocery.
Wonderful.
Doctor.
Doctor also.
And a wonderful pizza shop.
Oh, there's a great pizza shop.
Fresh dough every day.
Wonderful. And this is a big pool. This is
The big pizza.
actually bigger than a Olympic size pool.
That's a gym.
Yeah.
That's the spot.
That's the gym. I think what else you want? You can really sweat it out the way you want to.
Say hello to
Kevin?
Kevin. Kevin is our
Acha, Kevin is the pizza guy, so we are
very cool guy.
just walking towards him. Get your own drinks and you can order the pizza.
The barbecues here. So you can
Okay,
make,
and then
have
you
your
can
barbecue.
also have your barbecue done. Very good. So I think in all, a very good life. Clean city, fine city, right? That's the new thing that I've learned about Singapore. Fine city. So they put some fines on you, but that's what makes you go. So
No bread today. Just showing my friend around from India.
Okay. Hi.
hi Kevin, how are you?
Good.
I've heard so many good things about you.
Oh, thank
One
you.
of the best pizza out in
The
Singapore.
best pizza in Singapore. That's Kevin. So I think so. I have a YouTube channel, so I thought I'll just
Oh, okay.
kind of.
Nice.
Navy commander.
Whoa, that's great.
So I came to Singapore first in 1999. Brought the first Indian Navy submarine here. But I'm hearing that you make some of the best dough in Singapore. So probably next time we'll have your hospitality. But it's a wonderful shop to be.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
He
you.
plays the best music.
Yeah, I can really hear that some great music being belted out here. And so, how long have you been making
Yeah.
these pizzas? Yeah,
17 years.
17 years.
Yeah, in Makina.
Oh, marvelous! Excellent. And you enjoy doing what you do?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
Straight here.
excellent. All right.
Okay.
Pleasure meeting you, Kevin.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Pizza.
Yeah.
A Singaporean guy. But because there are a lot of Indians around in this area, so if you look at this, he serves Indian masala tea along with that.
Oh, that's wonderful. Indian masala cutting chai. Wow. Because the condo has so many Indians who are staying. So, Kevin has adopted and he also makes cutting masala chai, which is in any day it's the favorite for any Indians.
So there's an
There's
Indian grocery shop.
there's an Indian grocery shop.
All Indian masala.
Indian masalas and everything. Wonderful.
All Indian brands.
Yeah, you can see all the Indian brands here. Marvelous.
You get the Indian Maggi, not the. There is a Singapore Maggi, but you also get the Indian Maggi.
So the Indian Maggi is also available here. Excellent. Wow. Well stocked shop. Great show. And here is the best thing which can help you to increase your blood count. Children are coming back from the school with their bags. And that
Shop is
is
actually split into 3 shops.
okay. The shop is split into 3. And here I can see a wonderful bottle of old monk rum. Very popular here. Excellent.
You get thumbs up here. That's the thing. You get thumbs up.
Oh, you can get thumbs up also. Wow. You don't miss anything. There you can see the thumbs up cans. And I can also see all the breezers.
Indian Haldiram.
Haldiram stuff is also available here. So basically the people who are staying here, they are not missing out on anything. They have everything what they look forward to when they are in India. Everything is available in this condominium. They are being looked after well and a good community living.
The Bikaner Wala, which is like 10 minutes from here.
Okay.
That's served fresh chana bhatura and gulab jamun.
Fresh chana bhatura and gulab jamuns. That's marvelous. You can see people relaxing end of the year. I think most of the people are getting off the work today, tomorrow, and just getting rejuvenated in the lush green surroundings of, what is the name of the condominium you said? Makenas.
Makena.
Makena. So Makena, superbly maintained. I mean, if I would have been here today, maybe staying, then I would have spent, I think, hours together in this pool.
Yeah. Sit here by the pool, have a few beers.
Yeah. So buy the beer from the shop, and then
Pizza from Kevin.
pizza from Kevin. Then just swim around, laze around. I think next time we are going to do this.
Yeah. Have a game of tennis.
Yeah, you can have a game of tennis, play a game of squash. So next time, then what all should I carry? My sports shoes. So next time I intend to carry my squash shoes, the squash racket, the swimming.
Place to play a game.
Yeah, and we can also go and play a game of badminton, which we both used to play when we were youngsters in the school days every afternoon. 2:30 or 3:30, I think we used to set off on our bicycles towards Rohtak Medical College. There was a very nice badminton court right behind the auditorium of Rohtak Medical College. अगर कोई Rohtak Medical College वाले सुन रहे हैं तो वो याद कर सकते हैं. उनका हॉस्टल था साइड में, और वहाँ पे एक हार्ड बैडमिंटन कोर्ट होता था जिसमें हम लोग, एंड वी यूज्ड टू वेट फॉर द विंड, द swirling wind to settle down, but we used to play a solid game.
Yeah.
And if you remember, do you remember the racket which I broke there? उसका brand का नाम था Luna.
Luna. Yeah.
Luna was a
How we used to loan for
yeah
getting a Yonex.
Yonex.
Yonex though.
yeah. So हम लोग Yonex रैकेट अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते थे, तो हम लोग Jonex का रैकेट लेके JONEX उस रैकेट से हमारी duels and the games, or Vivek was very famous for his backhand. He had a very unique style of playing the backhand. It was like he would play it like a forehand, but it was a backhand. But what games every day, and in the evening probably Pappu Bakery was a very famous shop in Rohtak, जहाँ से हम दोनों केक लाके फिर एक किताब लेके और बुक लेके उस बुक को रात में ख़त्म कर देना, उसके सारे क्वेश्चंस को. So there was never a need to go to any tuition or something. It was sharing is caring, right? So here we are today in Singapore, fine city, right? And clicking on
See you
the good old
shortly in the
times.
Jewel Mall.
Yeah, see you shortly in the Jewel Mall. So here we are at the Jewel Mall. This Jewel Mall is within the Changi Airport. Terminals 1, 2 and 3 are all interlinked. And here is a big waterfall. So this is a wonderful waterfall which you can hear the sound, you can hear the things, and you can see the mist rising. तो अभी हम लोग हैं जूल मॉल पे, जो कि चांगी एयरपोर्ट के टर्मिनल 1, 2 और 3 के बिल्कुल बीच में है, जैसा कि चुक साहब हमको बता रहे हैं। तो यहाँ पे इस मॉल में आने का एडवांटेज क्या हुआ?
मॉल में घूमो,
मॉल में घूमो और बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं यहाँ पे।
अपना आराम करो, एयरपोर्ट फ्लाइट पकड़ने के सारे
हाँ,
चल।
और हमने वो जो इतना अच्छा वाटरफॉल देखा, और यहाँ पे हर तरीके का ब्रांड आपको दिखाई दे रहा है और तरह तरह के लोग दिखाई दे रहे हैं, और बहुत ही नीट एंड क्लीन। मतलब आप चाहें तो यहाँ पे घंटों गुजार सकते हैं अपनी फ़्लाइट्स के बीच में जो आपके गैप हैं, क्योंकि आप अगर सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस फ्लाई करते हैं तो ये हब है उनका। तो यहाँ पे आप रुको, टाइम स्पेंड करो और खुश रहो, और वॉक कर करके अपने को अगली फ़्लाइट के लिए फ़िट कर लो, जैसे कि अब हम कर रहे हैं।
चले।
हाँ,
My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. And I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I can't afford my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places, so these years I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. It's the star to show me where I go, just like I knew you were.
And I'm fluttering sounds and sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true, but I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many places, all these years I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the star that show me where I go, just like a